Hey guys, welcome to JC's Vending Services LLC's YouTube/TikTok channel. Thank you guys for rocking with me. I've been trying to get my daily devotionals done all week. Today is Friday. It's been a rough-ish day, not too bad. The good Lord has let me get up, get home, spend time with my family. So I want to do this day devotional because after this day devotional, I'm going to practice. I'm going to try to balance myself on both hands while my legs are up in front of me because my 4-year-old gymnastic daughter can do it. So the last time I went up against her working out, I won, but I hurt my back. So with that being said, keep me in your prayers for this event. I'm going to practice a few times. And then I'm going to try it. And I'll probably try to record it and let you guys see it. But I really don't know how embarrassing it's going to be. Not really worried about it. Just really worried about getting hurt. But I got to do it. I cannot let my daughter outdo me physically. So, with that being said, let's knock out this day devotional, guys. Then I'm going to go up front and do my thing. I may record it. I don't really know. I don't want to. I don't know. But anyway, so this day devotional, guys, for today is entitled, Who Has God Entrusted to You? Trey, can you cut that TV down a little bit till I finish this devotional? When Paul realized that God had entrusted him with reaching the Gentiles, it cannot have been easy for him. He expressed his feelings in Romans chapter 9, verses 2 through 5, when he expressed how he felt about it. His heart was with the Jews. He was a Jew. He grew up in the culture and was raised around it. If there were any way I could be cursed by the Messiah so they could be blessed by him, I'd do it in a minute. He wrote this in verse 3. So, he just said, they're my family. I grew up with them. He grew up in the Hebrew culture, so in his mind, that's all the Messiah should have been after, but he was not, as we see. Who has God entrusted to you? Are you open to the possibility that he might lead you to reach people who don't like you? That's what Charlie Kirk was doing. That's what followers of Christ, true Christians, do. He may lead you to reach out to people who don't like you, talk like you, look like you, act like you. No matter how burdensome it might be, you never know who. You never know who God will send you or whom he will send you to reach. So in Galatians chapter 2, verse 8, it explains why Paul came to the conclusion that he did. So for God, who was at work in Peter as an apostle to the circumcised, was also at work in me as an apostle to the Gentiles. How is God at work in you? Who is he reaching through you? That's what we got to ask ourselves, guys. As followers of Christ, living each and every day, striving to be closer to Christ, reading his word, praying, and just trying to be better. We got to stop for a minute and be like, man, who am I doing this for? Who am I reaching? Look around, especially like me. I think about that every day because I have kids. Like, who am I reaching? What am I showing them? And who is seeing them and how they behave and treat others is a reflection of me and my faith and so on and so forth. So just keep that in mind, guys. I'm hoping, I pray that I'm reaching at least one person with this YouTube, TikTok video with my daily devotionals. So our prayer tonight, guys, is, Father, make it clear to me whom you want me to reach. Of course, I want to be available to all, but I know that you often equipped us to reach a specific people, group, or person. May God add a blessing to the hearers and the doers of his word. Guys, continue to rock with Christ. Continue to put your faith in him, because without him, we're nothing. We can't do anything. that has rang true throughout my entire life. My short 40 years on this earth. I think it's on. I think so. I think it's on Tubi or Peacock, something. So anyway, I love you guys. Oh, today Friday. Please, for most of us in the U.S., we got paid. Put some money into your savings account. Move some money over because you know the language money speaks. Money always says, if you save me now, I will save you much later. Know that. So you have to be a good steward. If you're a follower of Christ, you must be a good steward with your resources. That means you must put up money for a rainy day. Put up money, build an emergency fund. Don't wait till something happens and want to borrow money and steal and act crazy like, oh, you never had no money. Yes, you did. You just spent it all. Stop spending so much of it. Start putting some of it up. I love you guys. Please be safe. Have a blessed night. It's family night. And we just finna act crazy. Then I'm finna eat some ice cream. Hopefully I don't get hurt. Messing with my daughter, playing around, doing this little balancing thing. So I love you guys. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel / TikTok channel. Thank you guys for just being amazing and sharing your comments and concerns. And I truly appreciate it. I love you guys. Have a blessed night. Be safe. Au revoir. A bientôt. Allez, prochaine.